Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how we can convert the data. Say for example this is in column and you want to convert it into rows. How you can do that? Let's start with. First of all, I will select the data. I will just copy this, Control C. I will go, say I want it to be copied over here. So I will go in this cell. I will just do a right click and in that I will click on spatial. Yeah, in that I will just select this transpose and I will press OK. So your data is converted from column to row. This is called the static transpose. Why static? Say for example I will change the name from here to this Bhavesh. See friends, if I will change the name in original database, it will not be changed over here. So if your data is in static, you can do this type of transpose. Else, if you want to change the both way, let's see the another step and another style. Now we will see the formula which is of transpose. Say for example, I will try this formula. TRANS transpose. Yeah, I have to just select this range and if I will close the bracket and I will press the enter, answer will not come. Why? Say for example you want to check if I will go in this formula and I will press F9, you will see the answer is reflected in this formula but it is in a single cell. I don't want the answer in single cell. So what to do? For that, the precondition is you have to first of all select the range where you want to paste. Say for example, I will select this range. Yes. Now I will type is equal to transpose. Yeah. I will select the data range like this. I will close the bracket. Here, wait. You don't have to press enter. You have to press Control, Shift and enter. You will see the answer is coming. And if I will make a change over here, you will see the name is also changing over here. But you will tell, so two data is not coming. What to do? So if I will select and drag it, let's check whether answer will come or not come. See friends, the answer is not coming because it is not working in a correct way. Then how to get the correct answer? You have to again select the data. You just go in this formula bar and again press Ctrl Shift and enter. See friends, the answer is reflected in a correct way. Friends, in the transpose formula which you have seen earlier, you must be feeling that the selecting the range is a cumbersome task and our data is in huge volume. It is not feasible also. Is it any solution to this? Let's see friends. I will type any text. I want, say for example, my data is in A2 cell. Can I write A2? Yes. And I want corresponding data B2. Concentrate friends. Here I will add any text as a prefix. For a better understanding, you can write also name your also. I will write XY. Okay. I will also write XY over here. Now my data is up to 10 row, so I will just select and copy this, or I can also drag this. So I will drag it up to 10. You will tell, so nothing has happened. What to do? Now friends, see the magic. What I will do? I will type Control F. What I want to find? Now I will replace the prefix text XY with, or I want to replace it with is equal to sign. And I will just click on replace all. Okay, and close. See friends, the answer is coming in a perfect way. Now let's check. I will change the name to Bhavesh. Whether it is changing over here or not. Yeah, it is also changing over here. Friends, if you feel I have added 1% knowledge to you, please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.